Protect your walls from people and things with corner guards and wall protectors from Primeline. Corner guards are designed to protect high-traffic corners in your home or office from everyday abuse, whether it is from carts, strollers, human contact, or anything else that can make an impact. The Primeline corner guards will keep your walls pristine and undamaged. Corner guards come in a variety of sizes and for different applications. Some attach with double-side tape, while others use small screws or nails to accommodate different surfaces. Corner guards don't just need to be used on walls. If you have a table in your workshop with sharp or vulnerable edges, stick the Primeline corner shield on it. Wall protectors attach to walls with double-sided tape that provide protection from doorknob contact. Nobody wants an unsightly hole where the doorknob damages the wall. Primeline designs wall protectors in various sizes and shapes to match your room's decor. The Primeline wall protectors and corner guards are easy to clean, water-resistant, and come in different colors to complement any room. For the DIYer, they are easy to install and will instantly give you peace of mind that your walls will be protected. For the pro, our wall protectors and corner guards will protect your investment for your tenants and properties. Multi-packs are available for your apartment complexes, office buildings, classrooms, and much more.